Hey, good morning. So I have the next 6 hours completely to myself. I've dropped off Will at the school for his trip to Six Flags. Caroline has a sleepover in Boston. Beth is somewhere up at her parents' house in Haverhill. And I have a showing today at 3, but now it's like 8:30. I already voted, took the dogs for a walk, and yeah, I already hit a garage sale. And I think now we're going to go fly the drone.
Change of plans, actually. We might fly the drone later. I'm not sure. Running out of time, actually, because I decided to come here. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right there. That is the Myles Standish Tower in Duxbury. And I'm going to go climb up to the top, right up there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's 10 stories. 10 stories. Oh yeah, I'll make it. I don't get dizzy.
Suck it. That's 125 steps. That's like 10 stories.
Wow, what a view. Isn't that awesome? So that's Plymouth Beach. I'm using the big lens, so I really can't move the camera around much. I gotta get it fixed to the tripod. So we're just gonna keep it there. I'll throw up some of the some of the photos that I took, but well worth the trip. 10 stories. That's pretty cool. Awesome view. That's probably the easiest and most recognizable thing that you could put on video. You can see the harbor if you know what you're looking for, but it's a little harder to pick out. Some of the houses that are really close by are easily to see. I'll take some pictures of those too. What a great visit.
All right, so great time. A long hike up here, well worth it, and got some great pictures. Maybe I'll post them up here. I think it's time to go back down, but I'm gonna just show you out the window really quickly. The views up here they're just awesome. I mean, check that out. That's looking over to Plymouth, and that's Plymouth Beach over there. We'll get you a nice snapshot of that. It was a pretty long walk, and there are the scary stairs. This is over Plymouth Bay. Wow. Awesome, huh? And down into Duxbury is over this way. Duxbury's over that way. Actually, I flew my drone at that house over there. I can see the house that I flew it at one day. It was years ago. That's north up to the Marshfield Hills up there. And Duxbury Inner Bay here. So that's Kingston over that way. You can see the Blue Hills. Oh, I can totally see the Blue Hills today. Way over. You're gonna have trouble seeing it. But they're way over there. I can see there. Let's see. They're over there. Trust me, they're over there. You can see the Blue Hills from here today. Oh, easily see it.
Hey, wasn't that awesome? That was so awesome. That is definitely a hidden gem. And if you've never been there before, it's in Duxbury, South Duxbury. Go to the flagpole rotary thing and, well, just GPS it. And where am I going? Oh, this way here. And isn't it amazing that, I think this is the water tower. This is definitely the wrong way. Going the wrong way. That's better. Isn't it amazing that I've actually been to some place that Wendy Marshall hasn't? How is that possible? How is that possible? Wendy Marshall hasn't been here? Man. I mean, I think she's been here, but not to the top of the tower because it's really not open all that often. I called today, actually. I went to I didn't want to drive over here without finding out, so I called and they were open. It's kind of a surprise, but it's such a great day. There's actually quite a few people there today, and now hopefully get to squeeze in a little bit of time to fly the drone. I know this one spot. I know this one spot where I can do it. Sign says it's a 350-foot path to the Jones River. Let's check it out. I got some mud on my shoe, but it's quite a spot. Wow. Here's the Jones River. Jones was the captain of the Mayflower, and the river's still named after him because he came up here and explored. And we're right by the highway bridge. So I don't really think this is a safe spot to fly the drone. Cars, drone, that's not a good mixture. There's a substantial dock on the other side. That's the Plymouth side of the bridge. And yeah, that's a fairly hefty dock. I wonder what they originally built that for. I mean, that's to tie up a large vessel. Maybe a factory up the way long time ago. I don't know. But yeah, it's there. And it's a really beautiful spot. But yeah, we're going to skip the drone at this spot. But I'm glad I came.